This season, we're offering 3 great styles she'll want to earn. The convertible organizer is unlike anything we've offered before. It's 2 styles in 1. She can use all 3 sections together or snap the center together to create a caddy. It's perfect for the playroom, pantry, or car. We're also excited to bring back the Style Setter, which was so popular when we introduced it as a Hostess exclusive for 3 months last year. This everyday tote is super roomy and is lined in bright contrasting fabric, perfect for sunny days. We know your hostesses will be lining up to book again when they see it in this new Petal Punch fabric and bold colors like Daring Cobalt and Citron Pop. And finally, the new Away We Go roller will make travel a little easier. You've been asking for a bag like this, and we listened. She can wear this carry-on size bag as a handbag or take it for a roll with the attached retractable handle. It's also great for everyday use when you just don't want to carry a heavy bag around. All her travel documents easily store in the large exterior pocket for easy access. Plus, as always, your hostess can choose a mystery bundle with 1 or more amazing products. The only way to get these products is by hosting a party, so make sure to show potential hostesses how they can get their hands on all of them. Make this your best season ever